Setting up your Kawachi portable steam bath is simple and quick. Follow these steps to get your personal sauna ready. Unbox the sauna tent. Carefully take out the foldable sauna tent and accessories from the box. Open the tent frame. Place the tent on a flat surface, unfold it, and let it expand. The pop-up design makes setup fast and hassle-free. There are 8 units of PVC pipes given to assemble the steam cabin. Kindly follow the instruction to prepare steam cabin to use. Kindly joint the pipe with help of connector, so that 4 complete pipe sets are made out of 8 pipe pieces. Lock the pipe by Velcro provided the end of the pipe channel on steam cabin. There are total 4 pipe channels provided in steam cabin. Complete the steam cabin assembly and keep the steam cabin at the place near to our supply for convenience. Insert the pipe through the steam cabin pipe channels provided. Some models are provided with a container for aroma oils or bath salts. Place the container inside the steam cabin under the chair or the stool used for sitting. Insert the all PVC pipe sets in the channels provided in the steam cabin and complete the steam cabin assembly. Plug in and power on. Plug in the steam generator. Adjust the timer and temperature settings to your preference and turn it on. Wait a few minutes for the steam to fill the tent. Connect the steam generator. Locate the steam generator's water tank, open the lid, and fill it with clean water. Secure the lid tightly, then connect the steam pipe to the sauna tent's designated port. With these easy steps, your Kawachi portable steam bath is ready for a soothing and revitalizing experience right at home.